Assalamu alaikum. It is class 12 and subject is zoology. And our topic is housing of poultry. I would like to repeat the yesterday's that as per the census of Government of India in 1991, it is approximately 3.328 millions of the poultries there, and they provide at least 20,000 millions of eggs and 3.28 million tons of meat per year. Now there is very important housing of poultry. A dry, neat and clean, well ventilated house is must for birds. And the housing for the birds must be kept in east-west direction. Why? The house used for the domestication of birds must be kept in east-west direction. The reason is that to obtain direct sun shine in the winter season and the indirect sunshine in the summer season. That is why the house used for the domestication of birds is kept in east-west direction. And the first point is the house used for the domestication of the birds or poultry must be dry, neat and clean, and there must be a well ventilated house used for the birds. The gap in the house, third point, the gap in the house must be 2.5 square meters to 3.2 square meters to 0.3 square meters used for the flow of birds. That is, the gap in the house must be 2.5 square meters to 0.3 square meters. It is because they are used for the flow of the birds. Number fourth point is the house should be littered with. The house should be littered with paddy, hassock, dry powder, crushed maize, it is because which keeps it dry and warm, which keeps it dry and warm. मैं आपको ये पॉइंट जरूर समझाने की कोशिश करूंगा कि जिस हाउस में पोल्ट्री को रखा जाएगा उसमें हम क्या करते हैं, जो कुशो होता है ना, कुशो होता है या हसक होता है या वो होता है मतलब ड्राई घास होता है, ये हम इसलिए रखते हैं क्योंकि ताकि इनको सर्दी न लग जाए और अगर ये गिर जाएंगे फ्लो करने से इनको कोई चोट जोर से नहीं आनी चाहिए. These are the things, these are the points which are used for housing of the poultry. मैं एक बार फिर रिपीट करना चाहता हूँ. A dry, neat and clean and well ventilated house is must for birds and the house for the domestication of the these birds are poultry. And number second is the house used for the domestication of poultry should be kept in east-west direction in order to get the sunshine directly in the winter season and indirectly in the summer season. Number third point is that the gap in the house must be 2.5 to square meter to 0.3 square meters. This is because used for the flow of the birds. And the number 4 point is the house should be littered with the paddy, hassock, dry crushed maize and dry this grass which keeps it warm and this dry. Then there are the advantages of poultry. Advantages of poultry. It should be discussed in tomorrow's lesson because of a short period of time.